Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video we are going to talk about Printify, which is really nice print fulfillment software. We are going to talk about pros and cons. I'll tell you more about Printify, and then we'll jump into the pricings, so you exactly know how much it's worth. So Printify is a transparent print-on-demand and dropshipping platform designed to help online merchants make more money in a simple and easy way. Its platform lets anyone start a business with as little investment and risk as possible, connecting entrepreneurs with more than 90 print providers across the globe. It's made for everyone, small, medium or large businesses, also freelancers. You can get advantage of this software. They are located in San Francisco in California, providing really great support, and also you can run it in your web browser. So that's really nice thing. You don't have to install it into your PC. If we check the pricings, we have a couple of options. We can go monthly, we can go yearly. Obviously, if you decide to subscribe and commit into the yearly plan, you'll save 14%. So let's start with yearly plan. They are also providing free forever plan, which is 5 stores per account, unlimited product designs, and it's really good if you starting your business. Then they are offering premium option with growing sales, 10 stores per account, unlimited products, up to 20% discount on all products. So this is really a game changer. And then obviously they're offering enterprise with 10,000 and more orders a day. Obviously this is for the largest of the enterprises, and you can expect to get the quotation based program. So you can also see main features for each plan, and I would really give it a try, especially if you want to start with some kind of design of yourself, or you have a brand that you want to promote and create like a t-shirts like this. Printify is a really nice option for you. If you're going free, obviously it may be a little bit more expensive to just make it work, but Printify isn't taking your money. So this is also really nice. You can check out all the services and also how it works. In my opinion, is it worth a shot? So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.